to all. So I am Muthu. So I am currently pursuing electronics engineering, VLSI design and technology. So today I am going to explain about design of an RC phase shift oscillator for audio frequency generation. So first of all, RC phase shift oscillator that generates a continuous sine wave. So that doesn't need any external input for sine waves. So we can use general components like resistors and capacitors to create a total phase shift of around 360 degree. So this is commonly used in audio related signals like audio frequency signals. So it is very simple and it is very cheap, and it is widely used in audio related devices and testing equipments. So and then we can use basic components like resistors and capacitors to make a sine wave. So it doesn't need any other components. So for sine waves we are using resistors and capacitors. So it sends part of its output back to the input. So it will leads to a positive feedback. So then RC network gives phase shift that helps to oscillating. So it is used to generate audio frequency signals. So as I already told that it was simple and very cheap. So and then why phase shift is important? So because it must get back the same signal it keep oscillating. So it will have the amplifier gives 180 degree and 180 degree phase shift, and RC gives network 180 degree. So that make it as 360 together. So without this phase shift the circuit will not get proper positive feedback. So then the oscillator will not start. So this is why phase shift is required. So and then so what are the factors that affect because of poor phase shift? So for oscillations 360 degree for oscillations it may require 360 degree. So but the output becomes weak and unstable, so causing irregular or noisy waveforms. It will leads to noisy waveforms. So yeah, and then RC phase shift oscillator can be applied in audio frequency generators and function generators and other signal conditioning circuits. So some other like oscillator in transistor and operational amplifiers. So and then advantages in RC phase shift oscillator is it will be a simple design. So not at all we can use only general electronic components like resistors and capacitors to create the design. So it will give good frequency stability. So there is no requirement of inductors in this circuit. So it may not suitable for high frequency. So it requires high amplifier gain. So and then RC phase shift oscillator is very simple and effective circuit for generating low frequency sine waves. It uses 3 RC networks to achieve 360 degree phase shift. It provides stable and continuous oscillations. So you can use it in testing and audio related device. So these are all the major things about RC phase shift oscillator. Thank you.